Good morning, guys and girls. We just flipped the frame over to the 73 thing. This is kind of what we got. We got some holes for sure, some Swiss cheese. We did tack on and install the new Napoleon's hat. It's not completely in, but it's tacked on. So kind of what we're getting ready to do while I'm taking this video, we're going to remove all of this, all of that comes out. This tunnel, we're going to cut right down the center of it, all the way back to about here. Try and see what we got. We're going to use pour 15 on the inside of the tunnel. A couple funny things. There's a golf ball in there, which is kind of interesting. So we're getting ready to really get into this frame. We just, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the top side of the frame is all ground down and cleaned up and ready to weld and do all the things we need to do. I haven't touched back here really yet because we're just not at that point. We're gonna focus here, floor pans, tunnel repair, Napoleon's hat, get all this where it needs to be, get everything welded in, and then we'll move back here. And back here is just a matter of disassembly and cleaning up, really, and reassembling with new parts. It's kind of what's gonna happen here. So I did get the rest of this paint removed. And down the side here, it's not as bad as I thought. I really thought we were gonna have way more rust, honestly. But got it down all the way around the front, across there. I still have to do the inside, but again, this thing's amazing. To do this whole car, the outside of this car, the body, and to do the top side of the frame and the tunnel and all of that took pretty much 2 drums. When I say drums, I'm talking about this. 2 of these right there. So if you're looking for which one does it, it's this one. It's the 4-inch drum for the surface conditioning tool. This is the 40 grit. Takes it right off. It's exactly what you need. So there's Ron getting ready to chop suey on this thing. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick little video of what we're getting ready to do, kind of document it, and then yeah, I'll hit you up tonight with a video and you can actually see where we get. Have a good one, guys. Bye.